Hi, my name's Frank Furness and I'm international speaker, author on sales and social media. Now, I've spoken in 59 countries. I've worked with some of the best companies in the world. And for me, my biggest observation right now is video is the biggest growth area. It brings out all kinds of stuff. You can bring in emotion, you can get calls to action. And today, I've been fortunate enough to be in Business Connections Live. I've been in their studio, we've run a whole program. And for me, this is just brilliant exposure. What I can say to you is this company is incredible. Everything was so professional over here. I also felt at home, I felt comfortable. If you're a business and you want to move yourself to the next level, please contact them. I've worked with many TV studios. I've worked with many companies all over the world. This is one of the ones that I have enjoyed most, and it has been so professional. Please, any kind of business you are, please contact. Remember, Business Connections Live. They'll make a huge difference to your business. I know they're going to do it to mine. And again, hey, this is Frank Furness. If you want to contact me, frank@frankfurness.com, or take a look at my website, www.frankfurness.com. Hey, thanks for watching.